English folk and a man's a man away, who delves the coal and the iron ore and shapes the potter's clay. For this is the song of the Staffordshire men in Portage Gill in mine. Our fire shall burn and our mill wheels turn and the knot shall be our sign.